The another difficult cases I would like to talk about today which is the dentist wife cases, which is very tough. You know why? Because they see all the time each other's, they eat each other's, they see each other's, they criticize each other. So I got most of those kind of cases all the time. But today's I do have a really good cases I would like to share with you guys. Stay tuned. Alright, I met this lady and then I diagnosis and then I listen what she doesn't like it. As you can see, has an old composite, the cracking, and then you know what, technically she doesn't know much about it. She said I did not like it, and then she came down with the doctors Unjana, and then they want to get my special professional opinion. So I sat down, I'm trying to calm down myself, okay? So sometimes I'm really crazy busy and then I could not think perfectly. So we set up the appointment, calm down, meditated. I saw the patients and I look at it and then I have her talk and then I see her eyes and nose and the lips position, everything's, I get it. And then I sat down, then I explained to her. I did not like that. It's old composite, it's cracking, the size is different, shape is different, and then color is not right. So I recommended about the special app, and which is we've been developing. Show them to size of the tooth. You know, you see the dynamic size, you see the Hollywood color size, you see the all different color. That meaning is overall shape, or triangular shape, or square round shape, so we can give it to them. So I'm not indicate her, which is the square rounded, square, point. I did not say that. I just show her to dynamic or Hollywood smile, or maximum fullness, happiness smile. I just show her, so she choose it. I took the color. Of course, this is a bleaching, which is a brighter color, but it's more vitality. But I'm trying to give to her the symmetry because she's a little bit more concerned about symmetry, architecture, form, which is I did not like much about it because I'm a little bit crazy artist guy. You know the crazy artist meaning my way or highway, okay? Please shut up. I want to do, excuse me, I want to do whatever I want to do because I'm there. I know how to make great teeth. But most of the time, my tongue is draw back and then listen what they said. So I'm trying to deliver what they want. So this video, so you can explain a little bit more detail, not only shape and contour. And then I finish it just like this. I'm using the Lisi Cosmic Press, which is I choose the bleaching ingot, and then after that we layer. Layering is pretty simple, it's 4 or 5 color, and then make the shape correctly. And then you see the central smile shot, side view, and the left side, right side. The most important thing is whenever she smile with the husband, I saw her as a maximum happy. Compared to 15 years ago, she showed me the picture. It's a bright, good picture, but after 15 years later, now we replace it. So I gave it to her another fullness of the happiness smile. So that's the key. So I just talk to my technician all the time. We know how to build the house. We know what to do. But most of the time we have to listen what they said. You know what the most things important is? That most of the times they're right. I would say 80%. 20%, I just shut my mouth. You know, just this is a free country. Do whatever you want. The funny thing is, whenever they choose everything, they write it down everything, and they ask me, look, what do you think? So you know what I said to them? Beautiful, you're right, that's great. But anyway, this video, I made a really good shot, and then I make her happy, especially dentist's wife. I don't want dentists call me, hey, look, I do have a problem. Unless they divorce or separate, are they still good? Okay, they're still so good. They're good marriage couple, and I deliver to those kind of maximum smile from diagnostic, from meditation, diagnostic treatment plan wax up, and then I finish the restoration. Before I do that, I just documented what I have to do: shaping, color, communication, pronunciations, occlusion, contact. That's the key. And then after they smiling, when she put the lipsticks and the big smile, bright or white smile, it's not refrigerator white, it's but lifelike white. That's why I delivered to them. Okay, so this case is so good, so that I would like to share with you. Anyway, thanks for watching.